Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the angle you're watching me from. I don't know whether I titled this program or not because I wanted to air it in two of my pages. So I don't know whether I titled it or not. But nevertheless, I would like you to share the program and tell me the angle you're viewing me from. But the particular page that I can read your messages on this no grief for anybody. I may be not watching, but if you are on Ogechi Okeke Njaka, please, the page not anchor now no grief for anybody. That's the only place I can read your comments. So you can migrate from there and join me on No Grief for Anybody. Go your comment. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I hope you guys are doing well. Are you guys ready for this morning? Are you guys really ready for this morning program? I will not be that loud because today my husband is at home. So I'll be speaking coolly. But don't come a spirit like me zoom. So I'm going to be, the Michael Obinde. So please let me know where you're watching from. Are you on Ogechi Okeke Njaka or are you on No Grief for Anybody? See this particular page. This particular page used to be Wonder Shall Never Cease. This is my page that is called Wonder Shall Never Cease. The only thing is that I changed the name. Some persons say, oh, you went and bought another page. You went and bought another page. I just they look them, they laugh. This page, this No Grief for Anybody, used to be Wonder Shall Never Cease. It used to be my old page, but I decided to change the name. No grief for anybody. So, how are you all doing? The only thing is that I need to touch bases and revive it. When page is stagnant, for it to get life again, it's gonna be this thing. And as the page. I can't wait for a day that I will come and narrate it very, very well. And the negative part of buying pages. And also the kind of people you buy page from, because they don't know how about. So please share this video, alert your people. Like I said, I'll be so calm. I will not be screaming because my Odogwu, not all Diego. My Odogwu, my army general is back for this training. He's back. So he's at home. Look at one of his see where he put it. How can I get the york? So I will be so mindful of the things I will say, but I will be so calm. Now, tag that a bony criminal son, that a bony lost son, that a bony bleaching son of a nobody, that trash of a nobody. Why that his cheap black melon can never hold water? You see, this a bony son, he's a criminal. He's a bandit. A bony son. Top lesser 0 that useless idiot that is after damaging people on his so-called page to make money. You see that top 0 that useless man is the problem was because he have made sure that Oga will put something, put wrong caption to attract people's image, so people will click. People will click and feed his poverty, useless life. That useless man, top 0 0 -0. He's a very hopeless idiot. He's a very, very hopeless, useless man. I'm telling you this with no. You wanna go she yabe capture ihoma that is a lie. Yabe me koga leba me kokala heba. You wanna go? That man even worse. His own thing is worse than wear belly face. You wanna go? Now Ebony lost bleaching son. You can never. You see, as far as we live on this earth, we will keep exposing you. We will keep exposing you because you are a criminal. It will just one on your shin one place about Facebook make a rule revenue to come and eat. Hungry vultures. Hungry vultures. Facebook have opened gates of demons. Can have on social media to come and lie. Tag that useless Ebony lost criminal son. That thief. You are a thief, you are a criminal, you are a manipulator. And when anything is she gonna know today, we joke. Guys, share this video before I will play that useless, lying son of a nobody. Onya Bruno Uzu. Look at how cheap you can go. Because you guys know that what I'm saying about Jpac, Onya with the pipe do you guys will go and bring old videos back to distract me. Somebody called me this morning. Thank God my husband was here. After morning, I was going through my phone. So after the good nyash, because he tried, he just came back from, so I needed him to, you want to go? 4 days, before 4 hours. When you all know, I could be for 4 days. That is especially married women. That is the problem. So I can't know better this morning. So late, or you're late, ma you're late, and I didn't want to disturb him at night. So I allow him to know. And I got the charm. So my channel, man up and elubade now is screw in my Facebook now. After your prayer, the next thing is Facebook. As you know, say, after me walk, I know get no life. I know they go vacation. I know they go anybody house. I know they go outside. I know they party. The only place I get is that after now, I go walk. After walk, I go return here. You want to go? After walk, I go return here. When I wake up, I go saga. Then after saga, I go walk. Those are the things where they do. I know they carry money, say, are they travel anywhere to go and please anybody? No, I'm not living to please any bagger. Onye chori je Kafanchan ya jema. Onye chori je South Africa ya jema. Onye chori je Dubai. When they go, what they ije chaga yo. Bear my nose or go get 1 and 2. You see they live fake life. I don't get on time. I don't get rubbish. When I shower talk, I go the level of brain. Say when time for all this rubbish. Walk. Go. Social media is my social life. Apart from social media, that is my social life. When I party in Igbo, Ogechi 24/7. Those days are over. I have passed that stage. So when you try to be $1, now your business is none of my business. Now, please, it's my kind of share button. Now share button, they follow page. Now share long and when a very long list for trouble. And also tag that deportee, nona Dubai, or nketabola. That's a nketabo, that's a wubaola, nonko. Tag him. Tag him. I don't know where you're watching me from, but if you want me to read your comments, come to no grief for anybody. That is where I did. I'm maybe warriors when we can on a local saga. Am I in the stages of sagas? I am not international saga. So my warriors when we can on a local saga, when we can local saga, I don't know. But if they are here, they will be directing you where I am. What I go? Some of my warriors hand on a ebana local saga. Some of you are my local saga. Local saga, here you who fake accounts. 90% of Eba, but Eba will real account. So, how can we the two different things? Tag Tag nketa bola. Tag ochicha bola. Tag mpi nyakot. Tag I was a president and now I became a beggar. Tag that thing. And on that day, the rest in peace. That's the day your problem started off. This blew up. And on that day, that was the day your pain started. I may make him marry. Chimaro, making him marry. Of your putu, what we wine. It was really just story. Yeah. What I go? The day he will land negi. No mun negita rest in peace. That was the day you get crew minute because that was the day you gonna do one yam one target. Yeah, go yam gonna get caskia. I can make him minute. Chere around. My this page, I want a lot of fuzz. Chama band doggy. Ebeja, him iPhone on a dream easy. Him iPhone. Oh yeah. My this page and that otu ama no ho na ejim iPhone today. Otu ama no ho na Ogechi Okeke Njaka, but people are seeing me there. You want to go? Eba kahagana no, and this page just sanitize be me ya. I used to be one that shall never cease. Yem the Jpac me matchmaking. I used to use it for matchmaking. Gije down. You'll understand what I'm saying. This page used to be one that shall never cease. Oh yeah, the name of Doya this page. So I decided to change the name. And the name on Facebook, if you change name, to change it back again, Naraziaho. You want to go? So one day no Ogechi Okeke Njaka shebe kam no. You come this page, you follow this page. What I go? For those of you that are still single, on this page, you know a lot of people do. This particular page, only go thousands of people do. Just as in the hang with balaga, they could not come and testify. But if you have been my old time followers, I can what I go? You know, so page you know only go pretty many people do. So give her the name, don't be confused. It still remain that one that shall never cease. What I go? I block go. So my warriors now pretend on then on Ogechi Okeke Njaka this side. The two ways is that people neighbor that join here. So now share. Y'all me share lang. God drop wires. I get make Christmas bloody Christmas giveaway. Achorom ke share party body. Aukwa fake account share. Do not use fake account to share. You share it, tag my name. You share it to millions and millions of pages. Tagging ketabola. Kate hour for hour 1 million for June. But on our bali also. You what now? Ebony lost son. Ebony bleaching criminal lost useless son. Ebony disgraceful son. Ebony its son. Emma thoughts like you. Their own investment will be able to know your money. You want to go? Each and all back in the days where people will come. My uncle in the US. My auntie Diego. I got some much no. As they open your wife auto. Now man, you matter that all your responsibility. I'm no way go. I got book on so much. And don't know like an book will destroy those children's future. Yes. It go all to turn shame. I gonna book you on. I gonna learn at home again. Because every course that I'm gonna leg you will go to that thing. I will cost them because you're costing millions of people pain by lying with your bloody lying demonic life. We cost, and that cost will be going direct to your children. What Allah? Because as time progress, you will get that last. You'll be wasted. And the same thing, no much a kundo shina my would I get destroying that thing. What I go? Now let me play this video. That's come wanna get this video. Tag that criminal. Tag that criminal. And I will you lost son. Tag I'm the 500,000 in. Jpac onyere. You are working so hard. Hey, what can we do with Ogechi? Igalaga bupute video. And do you know why I did not talk about that video? Because Ezi Kukumere video almost getting to 2 years now. You went and dig it out. You think it will distract me. Did you see I did not say anything about that video? I will not. Because any distraction you get put na DJ pipe matter that will hold water. Lie. And say how I just overlooked that video. This useless useless that hopeless man. Akwanda ge buna, akwanda ga gel na stout is he should be number 1. Because all young one ti go kun. All young one ti go kun ni heni ne many. All young one that top 0 minus that useless idiot. That hopeless thing. All young one ti go kun na heni many na because some man with followers and there's some gullible domenala na diditi ne soya aje. You want to go? Nditi. There. Now, let us listen to useless, hopeless son of Ndeboni. The only man that brings dirty and filthy lifestyle. Anambra State. This is a definition of those that made it possible. With the definition of that. All on any compound yana generation ya. Eba hoko shi aputa. Aho jana one day bu na ha na ezuoshi. This is the founder. Oh, ndeni nna ya na grandchildren nna ya ma nna ya. Oh yawa. Now let's listen to this CT with his cheap blackmailing and his lie. Can wait? Let's start from the beginning.
4 days ago or 5 days ago, I posted this thing on my page. That Akwa reported my videos for intellectual property earlier this year. A lot of you were like, you are lying, you edited it. Even this issue of Panka, who should do? This boy is here.
Tag Olodo TV. Tag him for me. Tag Olodo TV. Tag him for me. Olodo TV got the English. You mind like Olodo? Wise sound, intelligent, brain, they work. You want to go? Where sound and well. Olodo is not you. A pass. It then 1 naira pass. Hey, like I said, this content, the people that are not supposed to talk to you are now talking to you. Olodo is where sound. A man himself, people wear position, appoint, down any appointment. I get you Olodo appointment because you deserve it. Well sound, morally sound, educational sound, well organized. Get what the government that's okay. Look at you there, what the Olodo on. Or in what ground? In what level of life go I get taking Olodo TV? Cannot choko Igbo na promote our this thing. And when they big question with on, you question any Olodo issue. Oh, because of bad Nigerian, you know. If you say office Olodo, yes sir. Yes sir. That is only name with Toronto. He's 101,000,000% better than you. In all ramification. Are you bleaching auto? Are you also somebody that carry propaganda? He's speaking the way he sees it. He's far, far better than you. You are just a coarse individual. Look at of your age, you are still rubbing bleaching. Different colors of Ndaba made. Different colors of Africa. When Olodo Jiganji as an Igbo man, complete Igbo black man who calls Jiganji. As also the Kage, a wasted son. What I go? I'm a Jimana in the blue night. I'm a non line Jiki. Katos one sushi. You are just a useless, hopeless thing. You want to go? Now listen.
Olodo TV, put on a Facebook, edited. Listen to this voice note. Even Ogechi Njaka, put on a Facebook, edited.
I will be Njaka, yes. A people Jim, yes, or him. Am I disputing it? I will be Njaka, yes. At least I won't meet a shower that have gone around you with a town. Nah, let me block you, show Olodoron me. Oh, yeah? Otila, Singapore is not meant for you. You want to go? I'm not a prostitute on an Igbo Njaka. Yes, I am complete. That's who I am. Am I disputing that? No. But at least I'm not useless like you that looking for Tenkobo to propaganda. Now let's listen to your lies that you keep telling to your useless Ndewe brain.
Into this voice note first before you know whether I edited it or not. Let's go.
When we got that boy, it was yesterday, the prophet very picture. When I email you may have more to follow the password. More delete the email because I don't know one day I have prophet very preaching in Bible. It's what can now go. Narabo Nabo Yagazi.
I don't hear them, Abi.
In this voice note, when Ken came on Ken, the Palace of Justice, the one that is apprehended, in Ghana, when Ken had a portal page here, Ken ran to Jpac. Jpac Gobiario Wako Zion. Gemapa nonti anjishino because she know this video. No nya, this boy is a criminal. This boy is a born criminal. Ana what a bonilot son. On that common this blue up. This voice note, Ken ran to Ken was object to me. I declined the offer. I declared I didn't even want to pay him attention. He ran to Jpac, Abramuno, and when he Jpac mega home. Do you know who released this voice to this idiot? Jpac. Onyashi ya bia me test you to ya. Ibu be. Ibu be echo. Sorry, Ikeyana me echo. Yana baro so. Now, yeah, better that say Jpac. Ken went to Jpac to go and apologize to Nana Chorokoriola Yako release here. This is the voice note. I could reply at Jpac. I don't know how manipulating. You guys are the reason one day in the you guys are the reason because and when he toro abrogi huna get here na. How wonu they put nde boni ahojo. How wonu nde boni is good to associate with him, but people like you are the reason people denti ebony name. People like you. Ndeboni, if you guys don't stop cautioning this criminal, or ebony criminal son. If you guys don't start cautioning this thief that will do anything to damage your reputation. Now here we do. Now we're gonna use some out to connect that he and that number and ebony way you make on a day dear. They allow him to be lying. Or ahunu chineke just goes you yakwa mom wine dey boni they are good to marry, loyal to a fault. Whenever I want to recommend, I will recommend. But a huna ndonya get dent to na reputation na this blew up. Anokwa mi we bem gara o. We bem gara. So, like I was saying, Jpac spoke to Akwa. Akwa left this voice note to Jpac. Shia na ya ga agbahara ya. Na Chineke gbere ya gbe. Here a voice note Akwa left on behalf of Ken. Now Jpac choga everything. Tagaram Reverend Ephraim. Tagaram Reverend Ephraim here. Tagaram Reverend Ephraim. Tagaram. I respect that man a lot. I respect that Reverend Father. Tagaram here because I want to say something in Chorikwe Bono. Tagaram Reverend Ephraim. Tagaram here. Imana page here. Tag him here. Now, this criminal brought this voice note now. Because all matala na people are matala na omre that's in edits. All Amatarana, people mana, Ozuru Oshi, he's a criminal, he's a bandit. Amatarana, people Amatarana, oh many that thing they did just to dent Akwa's name. But boss Sugaho, I could send the here. Call that your boss. I could send this voice note. One nature channel you who Jpac in this thing. Holland pro Jpac and I know wash. Each channel Yahoo Jpac in this voice note. You criminal. Man, everything in pro Jpac no wash. But all ya man, everything in pro Jpac no wish you. Down do she. Jpac is doing everything possible. Everything possible to silence this movement. Oh my God, now I'm coming with more facts. Yeah, can I buy one barre? You want to go? This voice note to when Jpac Branina Ariako go remove that report. Otirina Ken's page here reporter Kenny that led Kenny to his doom now. That it made Kenny when got to his doom now. I have this voice note on your baby attach. When people have discovered that only that thing they did, on your criminal, on you shiko, I am just share this video when you're watching me. Truth must always stand like I'm toto. On your bandits, on you shiko, a bony criminal, and when you look at to silence this movement. And when anything in Jupiter get silent this Jpac movement, 500,000 and you keep putting yourself into shame. It cannot disgrace your wiki. Go and dig more old videos. You will keep disgracing your criminality. You want to go? You keep this also 500,000 eke runu munu na top home manda jechara wedding ya ihere ga wunkunu nga ka m no na ya kwa ma strength ino na Facebook for 48 hours Ogechi Okeke. The only thing na me and I cannot stay 48 hours one if I'm not working all 24 hours I'm here because this is my life. This is my my vacation. This is my enjoyment. I enjoy destroying idiots like you. And when my corner also here, if it's not that I'm working, if it's until I manage to my business to my thing, make me to on no in office. Me man no ya woto when you get muto. When you get muto. Do shinandama. Listen, criminals. On your voice note now. Without asking to get the bottom of what happened here. Hey, believe Oya, on your share. This criminal. Listen.
On the voice be here. Or no, bro, because I on voice be here. And they lie. Now let me tell you. If a Facebook report your page for intellectual property.
I don't even want to go this far. I think I have cleared the air. Yeah, voice notes. When Jpac came asking for Akwa because when you can to me. Me didn't take a man here. Kenny then went to Jpac because Jpac can Akwa then I'm mother. I could left voice note for Jpac. Now go to whatever here like that. That email no to full liar. That email. This thing has nothing to do with this criminal. Shouldn't you provide the other boss? Yeah. This is how they go up deceiving people like you that don't ask questions, that don't want to get to the bottom of the truth. This is how they lie and keep lying. You want to go? This guy. Mommy on the chain. On the chain with that issue, because that issue happened this problem. But to trust me, you are drawing close. Each and every mother. Do you think all these people you're representing, they will abandon you? But Udela when they contact, I'm not gonna dispute that. In my health contacts, Udela get contacts, but contacts yamicha bow for contact to carry contacts in the mother. You want to go? you're dealing with are not your mate, oh. People you're dealing with are not your mates. Obigagwa begi, why? Very dark man stayed 1 million safe away from here Basara Zion. Obigagwa now that time your mind didn't tell you. But I'm warning you, you know, this brimstone in a follow on your head. You get put on name in short period of time. Every day, you come and lie. Imagine yourself for this your video because I'm a pilot. Nature man about the old. Now, one day I am a dog enter. I am on a pen. I represent Ambassador Kani. I'm the only sister getting on a police. On your body bruno, she warning. And she have told me that I won onagi several times in the chohi. No run and here was wrong. Naga hapogi get Jpac. Maybe who big advice and you don't want to hear. Let me tell you, Matthias can't save you. Matthias have Matthias is now a team of lawyers. They are hungry lawyers. Lawyers gonna pay he basu sentence again. Keep fucking around with the wrong people. And I'm a but you don't want to know. Until each and under all these people, Babyoku say, Babyoku cannot save you. Babyoku will not save you. Mark my words. Keep fooling yourself. Keep fucking with your life. Babyoku will not save you. Go and write today's date in Nagwagiha. Tag Yakwanum Babyoku. Tag Yakwanum Babyoku. Babyoku will not save you. A bonny lost son. You see all these propagandas in her pile, in her gula akananya, igurieba, get gurieba, igurieba, get gurieba. If you get such old videos, about Ebuko Bige Buri. Eh, Anama Balagi. And then get power, get away. If I get when I get maga silent that they when my head dika. Crowd to man and the canu puluru no wa. Crowd to opuluru people in the church and nothing can suppress that crowd. If there will be a day, that crowd will be no more. Haskata. You are nobody. You are nobody. Ima, Ashi, Anado, gene, ya malielu. You want to go? I don't they want you. I don't they want you. Ina hani until today. Okay, Rejiri. Some people got putana akwe. Akwe na he pull up my manner of propagandas. Jpac can give 500,000 Ghana Mariono. Jpac can give 500,000. Get put again one propaganda. Now cause trouble up and down. Now cause a problem up and down. The day Akwa no go tell them. People will go there. And I may many announce and people think it's a joke. You went and edited some report and when you report again. You touch it with an people discover that is Russian. You went and brought out voice note to send on behalf of when Ken was apologizing, pleading. In your Basara page, yeah. When this ex-convict, when this wear face came pleading on behalf of Ken, I could have to send this voice note, which is I'm aware. Edging the voice notes. Now, Ibrahim touch with another lies. Abia Burugena nige provide the real all these lies you're telling. Ekuwe awi na ni una na he deform na hammato na. Ne deform ya. Ne deform ya. Ne deform ya. E shoge rejiri. Tagara ma Zion here. Taga Zion here, please. E shoge rejiri. Iputela the other one. Propaganda akon. No jukra report to page. Everybody know mu wan go the same barage. That's it. And before you we've been on social media. You went and edited it. You went and forged another lies. Just to make it, to prove a point. To prove a point. Now, guys, listen to this voice note too. Nah, I made my husband this sending this WhatsApp before. I got restriction from Facebook because I commented of someone who was writing not I comment how him code words and people think Ogechi I don't know how to do write up. I just they laugh. Even on Facebook just write up sometimes it will not even make sense. You'll be so confused. Some people say, oh, every time she Monday until you get on this game of the world, you get dizzy shigina, they put one or two together, somebody they write up. Because you don't understand. Sorry, somebody not complain and I have sorry, you got to code them. No, you see how they make my post sometimes, they may have confused. Common EMT mistake it fight. No report as bullying. Thank God that Facebook went through that video before. You have to code your even I might not I'm there fighting. Make by still they captured it. So sometimes if I write something, it doesn't make sense. But when you are then on Facebook for a long time, will understand this. You write up actually yes, no problem. Because when like a Facebook go they confused. Can't hear report if it did not match, they ignore you. Now, I want you to listen to this voice note. Because Echina, Onkuha, Oshi IB, Gapota, she is just a joke. Akwega koshoni ya na. Akwina mena nya kuna hohoya. Echina gabia putane defend aro because unu the content creators ndo shina ma. Nde Southeast ya unu mre meeting na onye ola mena aro una be na defend ya. Any of you mena aro unu collect ego any unu percentage ku unu be na defend ya as lies. Because unu na group of lies. Group of lies. Onye maru, onye ke defend ya. Onye ma because uno na group, uno na union. That when you lie, another person will come and lie and defend. Ya choro ge want small money. Gane susu. Ne ti go we gina nsobu. Oh God. Get this voice note.
Oru next month to Jpac. Ma cause a problem. Ma but I say yes now ebuko bi nwere onye mere abortion. E ma kwa mu ma cause commotion ma but I say ebuko bi and then Jpac bi ha na plan ya. O me won girl abortion. The girl treat them more than one or more. She wo pia that female or more. I will make sure that I cash like 50 million. Because I'm the video go well. So next month. So bacherum.
It's all about money. It's all about lying and bringing propagandas. And Onkuha IB have been saying all this atrocity. Their president, the main president of Ndaro, they're not gonna come out and speak against it now. Onkuha IB, this video, Onyi Kuku Mere, years back, that this idiot brought out again just to tarnish Ebukobi's name. Hey, Akwa Balanketi. Because of getting to shut me up. Now this particular trending now Jpac go and examine it. Una chon koga me examine it okore unu no game. Unu put the old videos on Onkuha IB. Akwa nya machine again I know the see am. Cause so here basare Ebukobi. Ona here pull all this propaganda na puta and they save riya. The day, like, can she play there and would tell an court? Are you this person? No AI. Are you this person? No AI. Let me tell you. Mboga kwesu don't call AI. AI yo did not save him. AI yo because I'm AI I'm gonna hear text AI. The generated AI and the original content. I don't tell ona. Una no go advise some now. E machine Ogechi na mara onye na problem. Iprule buko bi video kukume kuko unu na kwaya mere kemgbe how many years ago. Ki iprula na puta to also deceive gullible idiots. And nobody will advise you now to stop this in Ezuzu. This is also how you did this. Onkuno IB apata support to your John always gurebu. Nkana that you fabricated again or gurebu. This latest one now that you also brought to deceiving them mother. I don't tell you. Your story will worse like. Your story will be worse to like Ke Udela. You have been committing all these things and nobody is seeing you. Nobody is seeing your machine. Mwanya na afopi. Mwanya no like akun na yi diaper. Aku idiot. Aga ma fugo pia football ganya that opi kanja football ganya na Sweden na hen. That of only your child na Africa can get football ganya na that your useless Sweden no. In we gaga chora kon na Tony ga go na Facebook.
Oru next month Jpac. Ma cause problem. Ma potasi yes now ebuko bi nwere mu. Onyo mere abortion. The ma Akwa mu ma cause commotion. Ma potasi na ebuko bi and then Jpac bi ha na plan ria. O me won girl abortion. The girl treat the more than one or more. She achieve up here that female or more. I will make sure that I cash like 50 million. Come on, the video go well. So next month. So back
When how devilish and how demonic this guy is. When how devilish and how demonic this monster is. Now, let me address Reverend Ephraim. Reverend Ephraim, you're a man of peace. I've known you for a long time now. And I respect you so much. You're a man of peace. And when the man don't respect you, you're one of those men they respect. You called me this morning because you wanted peace. My husband told me to listen to you. And I listened to you. Because of Jpac matter. Yeshim, that we're gonna rectify this. Magwage, that before we rectify this, I'm gonna give him game. And as far as I'm concerned, this Jpac Ponapunde Madobo to come and be tarnishing Akozion and the Daddy Ebukobi. That peace may not hold anymore. You want to go? Okay, Aya. Otila. I'm why I cannot block you guys with this phone. It's only removing this thing. You want to go? I respected you, and you, Marshall, how many days will I give you? Jpac now. I don't know how many people that he's reaching. I promise to give you 7 days. People tag here. Your call after your call was the first thing he received. And the mashigi knows, sir, I cannot disrespect you. But in as far as these people this Jpac keep telling these criminals to be bringing old videos, I would have no choice than to disagree and disregard that call. I will not even listen to it. Oh, I am telling you, because she didn't know Bina. I will not listen to it. Even today, mind that I only give him 2 days. 2 days is okay. If you don't want to do it, that 7 days I have cancelled it. 2 days is okay. I'm just gonna leave him for 2 days. But after that 2 days, I will come back to my main game of Jpac. 2 days, because I need to take him mad. Okay, take him mad more than 24 hours to make a decision. As far as I put these people I will not leave Jpac. Because you know me gonna cover so it's only 2 days, sir. With all due respect, I'm not mandating you. But this propaganda on what these people they release a voice note that has nothing to do with him and any. Jpac is the foundation of all these lies. He's the foundation. As far as he's on the ground walking and don't want to come and clarify him on Butumona, I will keep permanent on Jpac. Because I see no reason Jpac should release voice note and on behalf of Ken to Ebonilo's son. I see no reason why these two things have anything to do with each other. I see no reason why he released on Ken matter. Gojiri got anything to do with this criminal, this Onyo Shishi from Ebony. I don't know why Jpac waiting for his son. Esendere ya na ihe gbasara akụ. Sorry, na ihe gbasara Ken. Then this criminal attach ya to prove a point that he lied. Yeji akpare wande kwuru eziokwu. Kparewa keza he Olode TV. Now, in a bolam nash mapuke, I will 2 days only. 2 fucking days only. You want to go? This guy, man, them de kuwe shoku. Akwa should not Paula Saga. Or Paula Saga. But he's releasing false information just to shut the main topic up. He's everywhere. Releasing. Shutting the whole. Because all man am and some people will still come out to defend him. Some people will still come out to defend him. Are you okay? And I asking people defend the guy genuinely. Genuinely. Genuinely, people defend the guy. Jpac, as more you trying to cover, as more useless you become. As more you trying to cover, as more useless you become. Now you're cover up. As truth begin to glare. You see how low? You see how cheap? You see how low you can go? Okay. Okay. And when better job, but my better job will to block your shallow life. Maya, see you. This place is not meant for prostitutes. And when you pay you, when you banana, I console you. Go there. This place is not for my shower. Get there. Go. Get there. Continue your job as a shower chorister. Singapore. As more Jpac, you trying to subdue this, it will never pave way. It will never work. 2 days. Come here. Maybe don't am bomb nishigi. Agama bagidegi disembo. Ndotapa Nigeria mana bagia. Also like a higher and then the higher and demo for Ogechi matter. Look at how you're jumping like a scroll inside, making no contact to put an end to this. Look at how you're struggling, fire making another saga, but you are doing saga on the ground. You are bringing everything to make sure that the message will not continue. Are you not? Who is fooling whoself? When you're a fool on you. Going a fool on you. The voice note they are aware. Mbako sendere. I could have to resend me those voice notes. The point here, sendere. Jpac. Go send the arena and working. Can you want the audacity pota? Can you want the audacity pota? Biakwo no wo voice note on your behalf. Excuse me, can you not to cover up? That is my question. Can you agree? Can you not to cover? I just want to find out. Can you not to cover up? Are you covering up that the truth that Ogechi won't question? You wanna come she make Gaga Yam Baba program? Gano Kware again. Because no matter how you trying to pretend, the truth must surely be coming out. Because the same way, you don't think before you talk. The same way you make porno that they bam. Na so person, guaragi. Sorry, na so person. Mbogula orendrage help. Yashige ohuru. Mbogula onyerege help. Yashige ohuru. Ni kempo ho tula bulage. Ana aparzi kara uneshila ndenewio nka ka ige jema na ndenewu no shiriko ndenewio gaputa first time game we should go down. Oh my god. In wanna emetewere gebere your saga members ndo tugina in enye rubbish information na trash. Accept the fact that they will get brave. Accept the fact that they will get brave. And to the last I the highest content creator, but that I the highest content. One day, man, she will get. And actually shut them up. Why would Ogechi say it? Oh, she take no matter how you guys trying to cover. One day, what? All these things. This voice note, this connection, it's just a matter of time. It's just a who day. Oboni son emene luma le boni lost son, eboni bleaching criminal son. Emene luma la doke. Yashi na no ima no like reakon. Ima no like reakon e jako egbu. Ima no eje ebuko obi egbu. Ngabu pute ihe ana. Yeah, ekuwe ya hapu ebe anyị na-aga. That is ichila nke mbaka mme ya na ye face mbaka ima no ngonyo na tojo. Mme ya na ye face mbaka. That mbaka onu did not work. Why didn't you come and dispute exactly what I said about you here was nke mbaka? Geshe ba hu shift o. Garita na nke ezu eze kukuman kuku onu no na akpo ya. Garita na nke ebe ahụ. Upeka be anu ihe onye akwuru. How many video years ago? Video mere how many years ago? But ibu putele ya na. Bekani bele ishi na ona eje buko obi egwu igbo ha na ebuko obi ahụ ị ga-ahụ ya na ya apụta by then anye distract ya mana owu because number one, you know even go school. You know say na me be your mama for this blue app. You know say na me be your mama jeju onya na akpọ bleacher. Strategy ni no wetere na this coming saga destroy them ya. Makachi, I don't know why the local saga did allow that bleacher to Zuolike. She's supposed for him to put out the other day support. I'm not put out. I can put up again. Don't why put out. You want to go? Before Amurugi, and I know none of this saga, my local, my international. You want to go? So, and the local saga, and you the route to not relax. I lose Matulike. Uzuma, you can doya. Na doya botu yenye oyem jiribazi hankete. No go de bem no man. Mmekwa na maka na local saga doputakwa again. She must continue. Aga mapekwa na dokwa again doputa ya. So, you don't understand the game. What I go? You don't understand the game. Ibelana ishila nke mbaka. Aishi mbaka all the video that almost getting to a year now. All the videos of media that so getting to here now, on baka boro when ya wo mu aka obro. You never realize. Una won't use them. Come the day. You say I go focus on baka, no go focus on them. I don't talk with I talk, I don't move. You want to go? Now, that one no work. That one 80 go ya. That one 80 go ya. You know work. It don't divert to video emere. It's gonna national mpage mpe body son na pontu. Mpe boni son na pontu because only opontu gamonye na pontu nage na pontu. Ge pupite ya ebe ikuku gbara gị na mpage na pontu. Ama na ntinye na oge wute ana eje buko ebe mana gị buko ebe ahụ because ndị na-arụ ihe ahụ Jpac na boni son. This is how they are planning. Ana no member say ihe ahụ. Don't get package away information that time. This is exactly the idea because oh my God, deny any name people now because as day goes by, people begin to see the truth. I deviate yemu. Now, Jpac had to call you. And with a voice note to send them. Report through you can. There was a voice note too. Who send them that time? Igejia may attach. Can people believe who? But man, before Jesus, Abraham was. Before Jesus, Abraham was. When he pulled so when shiga ha biatu penyona that didn't frame animal. I respect them and I respect it because 2 days I have reduced my 7 days to 2 days. I will be Jpac happy aneme show of shame. When you got a Jpac, I got a Jpac. I got a Jpac. I don't get time. I don't get time. It console you chonga gano look at the back. I'm a money war. He got a reba. When he got some black gown, they fitting ya. Ya got a reba. Ya reba. Get sheba. My nose. I'm a show parade. When saga never starts, and they made him an parade. Because she, they be going to entertain. They be going to entertain. I'm out of me again. I give a day. And where then I console Gana Shaggy. Hey, Ogechi go cry for this one now. Ogechi no go sleep. Ogechi, the thing gonna come Malele. How many years in the saga? How many years in the saga? I'm all the moves when things are hurting you. I'm a man pretending. I'm when you come for pen. Oh, like a bleacher. I kind of pen. Yes, my different picture. I'm living fine. Have you ever seen me to do those things? You know this like this a picture. Give me a detail, get here. Look at me. I'm beautiful. You the enter. Oh me. I didn't hear that cause. I'm beautiful. Look at me. A apple. Make it up in you eba. A make it eba. A reduce way eba. I'm beautiful. Look at me. I'm living good. I'm doing good. So I got a bad. And they can't sample. Oh, more. Now me want a sample for me. When I say no, they sleep. Me when I say. Me why don't be do you know that see best teacher is the gonna experience, the best experience. Gira here for complete 5 years. You are no longer new because anything all I'm a seed of more than 5 years. Hey just shige get lordy after 5 years. You guys will now learn how to accommodate each other. 5 years is always the target point. Get bit of business. You will get 2 years, 3 years business and but I don't have 5 years. You will make it. Go and find out. I know they lie. You want to go? So I know the tricks, Nafaga. I know when you're trying to console yourself. I know when you're trying to cry to tell people that is not lie. I'm your weak point. I know the game. So all these lies in our park, issue like this guy corner, get she decide the guy corner, you know go walk. Disregard that lies. The voice note was not made for a Bonnie Law song. The voice note was made for Ken, Palace of Justice. It has nothing to do with a Bonnie Law's criminal song. Here, Jpac in a reference of people believe or not, that thing was addicted, and he knew that no getting am puria. Thank God for other people, my friend. Now he's trying to bring to another world. Everything are all lies. Don't be deceived. Now, Boramu Agoba, sorry, in Kitabola. Boram in Kitabola. Let's start with Ebo Derene and rest in peace. What I because I know when you look for trouble, when I come for you, people should not get you and won't your job. I know you are a hungry man. I know that I go too much. I know you're going through a lot. Even to an extent, you are begging common 100,000. Even to an extent, you have to beg and beg to book ticket for you in Guinea Bapan to come from Turkey, you know. Is a problem. All these things you are showing now are past glory, is over. Arapugogi. So all this are manshi. The day even a manshi when I am together, that was the day you call your dead warrants. Now this blew up. That was the day you call your ancestors. Now this blew up. This particular today's video is not for Jpac. I just want to respect Sir Reverend Ephraim bottom today. But I just want to come clarify your people at the beginning of this video and this criminal and we Bonnie lost son name. Now, can you get your mother rest in peace? Can you get all the female children in your life? Your children rest in peace. Let's go to that video. Can we put this Bonnie lost son? down again. A bed can yourself. Where's that your page? I should know Ketabola. Ketabola, right? Okay, hold on. I'm going to do neighbor hand on Ketabola. This young Ketabola. Eben Ketabola hand on her. Okay, bono. I'm not sure I'm asking Ketabola. Okay, she's funny. Come on, I'm Anna toka get a ball and today get up a part of it. Okay, you know they give them more. The worst if I give them to that top knot. Hey! Today get a man, I'm a better. Okay, she's funny. Okay, I'm going to Muslim care. I didn't care. Oh, a man, I'm Muslim care.
Njaka. Okay. Njaka. Call all your men and the people you prepare and you believe on. Okay. Njaka. The war has begun. You have been summoned for what you request for. Sickness that will bring you down. Any man that sleep with you. Sickness, accident, in no distant time. No one can redeem you from this. Njaka. Shed warlocks of the Moses, crossbearers of the hills, pay mountains of request, tabernacle summon of the altar. Oge Njaka. Oge Njaka. You have requests. Your request for destruction has been granted. For whoever that comes, whoever that shall be interferer, he has already passed through the message. Calamity, affliction, sickness, accident brings you down to the book. For you have requests. No one can stand on this world.
Share the video, click love and like, share the video, share.
Follows for the consequence. For you have requests, and so shall the cause be upon you. Calamity, sickness, accident.
morning, good afternoon.
Agoba slippers. Nketa bola. Now come. Guys, share this video because when I'm telling them the truth. Because share this video. I don't want this video to trip off. Because when I trip off, I would that the sub account come jabia. And I made another account because I'm in that natural. Because share the video, share, do some points. The next day, my video trip. Facebook could disregard any. Please, because share the video. Share because share. I just they look at this man and they laugh. You gotta be come na this blue up where. Here this man they gotta be come. Hey, Chineke. If I tell okay, I brought those fake. Okay, I brought those fake kesa those fake glass on a bad shampoo all good. Every like this Akwa like one other. Iya ito taga ka bigala kam. Ade jo chi mara odo. Ya ga dia. Oh, the man amaho. Omaho did the terror. Ay. Hey, Chineke nna. Ago banketa naka. Nketa bola. Ogriye keneriri. Okaji ekeshinono. Listen to me. I want you to write this thing down today. But I want the biggest mistake he made that this blew up. The biggest mistake he made. We then rest in peace. The biggest mistake he made. Ever one day, Burumu Bana your local Aroshi. Oh, the greatest pain that you face on this blow up. Ontiga Ikoshiri Joesa. Nana Obamono Lord deep anything would deep gemado. Hey, Onyek Barakime. You're going to know Bible. Kiji remember now when we came. Our Bible. But Huna. Because you know why? I'm a megidegi here. Eh? Because actually, that's your abara. That is why I'm just pushing. I'm a megidegi here. That's your abara. Yes. I'm a megidegi here like this. Get Burun Katanishi. Arachamage. I can't tell you. That's on canon. Oh, when you want on Shamak, who on canon, you won't get a case bang send the nail. Nambiko, Nandabunu Jorogajo. I'm a get here, get brogo. Gachi back that place to start digging ground edge man unu jakubo. Next time, a woman in the kega putama ja. You what I go? A woman in the kega puta maja. Where it is so now manche. Nde came in a secret on ya woroge. Nde came in a man how many arrows shina barato on Ogechi. Imana better than Yana we Abuja. Where Mugana and Kenda Wusa. Oh, Imaro. I think Imano and Dawsa the worst organ or what? Ya Wurugi. You that is a local criminal. You that is a local scamming man. You that is a hopeless idiot. Imuro thousands of children and wake him a bono. You that ain't what today. And when who rape and then Nugu State. You that is a empty concom that making the whole of noise. You that is out there like Kenan Bugu because of what she's doing. Am the worst thing that can happen to a man who Yasu she Atorianu Bugu to let your investment woman in Nigeria. Because of all you've got fake life. You that live the fake life, was that king of Dubai for years, and end up eating like a world dubo. No bodogi. Mechagi. I want the last draw you have ever mentioned of this blue app. In the name of Igbo, mba man shege. Ejime me magic. Ogi patagege jime ya yakasha pwa abrangena eji anama aham na bana magic. Agwara gị na aha Ogechi na bana magic. Wonyara. So ibe gị na anọcha ebe ha nọ kpaka ego in case of problem. Ndere esusu ihe iresu, ndere esusu like you. Imi Igbo wise. But kege ji amene gede. Ụmụ nwaanyị niile na South Africa. Na ụmụ nwaanyị niile na Dubai. Kimitri. Ka ego ka ibutere wayo that day ga-enye ahụ ye je mụọ na go tuma. Kpọrọ nwa ya balaga. Ga mitie na Sudan. Ga atụma ka ahụ ime ka ahụ kpara ya balaga. Obi jiri were ego ka izutere n'oshi. Fake as everywhere. Na yiri anya mmanwụ every day. Nina be make look. In fact, look at yourself. I am the AG. I am the I'm giving egwe kuro progono. That music kuro progono that destroyed your destiny. Eh? Omo gaga bubute when he sang that tracks. We AG, we know we ga. Omo Egypt do rap again. Omo make gay you put manwa in eyi. This is one jerebo. And about man jereba is a man gege. Iga gay banner one man. Iga gana village june and 18 man gaba 1 man. Or one as another 1 man we buy him on this that 1 bedroom he be. That 1 bedroom where bongo mashi onyara when bongo. Get bongo kwako onyara. Ya bukandara no na no okai howere. Get bongo kwako onyara. The highest people na bongo unda. You go to cool or get the kebe. Eba na kuru ebe ndara different ndara na bia collect their property. Imagine when the department in Dara na drop the ngongo ha. So ya wuru lo get the department na be were ngongo na ndompo.